Hello, today I'd like to show you our Shannon 2000 model. This bed is part of our pocket spring encapsulated range, made in our own workshops by craftsmen with years of experience and sold directly to the public. With this formula, we know that the price is up to 60% less than other comparable beds available. This softer feel 14-inch deep mattress has a staggering 2,000 of our unique curvation individual pocket springs. These work independently and stop any roll together whilst giving excellent support. We then encapsulate the springs with our unique firm edge support. This in turn increases the sleeping area of the mattress and makes for a firmer mattress side. On top of the springs, soft layers of hypoallergenic fillings are hand layered to give a deep supporting comfort. Finally, we add our cloud pillow top layer, a unique feature of this model. Without doubt, a level of comfort unlike anything you may have felt before, giving a very soft top to the mattress that you can really snuggle into. Our exclusive 100% natural cool viscose fabric provides a soft and breathable surface and ensures a fresh and hygienic night's sleep. It's exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure that you stay dry whilst you sleep, therefore keeping your body at a constant temperature. Mattress borders are stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag-stitched rotating handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh. The perfect solution for a cool, dry sleep.